Hi, I'm Ryan. Welcome to Vintage Meadows. So we are Vintage Meadows, a direct marketing farm here in Goshen, Indiana. We raise beef, pork, and chicken, and lots of other awesome products here on our farm. We're pasture-based, meaning everything that we grow is raised outside on pasture. Daily rotations onto fresh pasture, no chemicals, and work with many other farms who share our passion for healthy, local, sustainably raised food. Is not to grow, but to actually create a peaceful place where we can host our customers here. We're not looking for lots of sales. We're looking to just create a place where customers come and experience where the food is grown, as well as experience a farm the way it could be in its peacefulness and naturalness.